I dyed my gray hair very black, and I did it with using all natural products with no chemicals either. Henna, that's what I used. Yup, I had a lot of gray hair, some in the front, the side, and in the back too. But hey, my hair black now. Wanna see exactly what I did? Let's go. Your first time using henna and you want to try my recipe, I always tell people, use at your own risk. I am not a doctor. I'm only sharing what works well for me, and henna works wonders for my hair. It adds crazy strength, and I feel it plays a part in how I'm able to retain so much length. I'm also able to dye my hair black when I use henna as my base. My hair responds well to henna. Did you know some people also use henna as a temporary dye for their tattoos? Let's get started. Now, this video is gonna go kind of fast, so get your pen and paper ready so you can see what I do. If you want to see more details and tips on what I do, check out part 1, okay? First, I prepare my hair with a pre-poo. Then I shampoo my hair. I leave my pre-poo in overnight. Second, shampoo, okay? After that, I leave my hair damp. Then I prepare the area. I don't like henna to be dripping all over stuff because it does make stains, so I like to keep everything clean with newspapers and plastic. Let's get to the ingredients. Henna. No metal tools used, okay? I only use plastic and silicone tools. I recycle that container right there. So I'm pouring in the henna. I use the whole box because my hair long. Amla. If you want to know why I use amla, check out that video. It's coming soon. I use 1 tablespoon of amla. Next, aloe vera powder. My hair loves aloe. 1 tablespoon, that is. Next up, lemon juice. 1/3 cup. It helps to enhance the color. My secret weapon is coffee. 1/4 cup. It helps make the henna darker. I'm adding 1/2 cup of water to start with, because I don't want it to be too runny. As I mix it, I'm taking a look at the consistency. Now, it's too thick. Let's add more water, another 1/2 cup. Now it's time to add the olive oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I'm stirring it well, making sure to scoop up the bottom and along the sides too. I let it sit on the counter overnight, and I put a time card to help me keep up with the date and the time. After 24 hours, time to apply. So I've already pre-pooed and shampooed my hair and rinsed it out. My hair's still damp. These are the sections that I usually use. I keep the same sections because I don't like to always be parting my hair. Low manipulation helps to retain my length. I use Vaseline on my edges and on my arms because it does drip and I don't want stains all over my face. Plastic gloves because I don't want my nails to get dyed. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in these sections and start applying the henna. If you want to see me applying it on more sections of my hair, check out part 1, okay? I'm rubbing it in and mashing it to make sure it get down through there. I'm making more sections to make sure that I get inside real good. I'm applying down the length of my hair, and I'm also saturating my ends too. Henna gives my hair a lot of strength, so that's why I make sure to apply all of my hair, including the ends. And I'm applying all around the outside of the sections just to make sure I don't miss anything. I like henna because it strengthens my hair and it also dyes my hair. Did you know back in the ancient times they used henna to dye their skin, their nails, and their hair and clothes too? I'm gonna put it in large I'm putting it in large twists to prevent any tangles. When I leave my hair loose, my hair likes to tangle too much. So that's why I twist it up at all times. Plastic wrap. I sit under the heat cap for 20 to 30 minutes. If you want to see how I wrap this plastic on my hair, check out part 1. Okay? I got a lot of hair, so that's why I'm using a plastic bag instead of a cap. Time to rinse out the henna. No shampoo is used. I rinse my hair until the water is kind of clear. After the henna is rinsed out, I'm going to show you the color that I got. It's kind of like a brownish bronze color. Check it out. You see the bronze? Now it's time for the indigo. That's my secret weapon. That's how I'm able to get my hair real dark. This is how I do it. I use the whole pack because my hair is long and thick. Next, I add 1/2 cup of water. And then I also add 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Lemon juice is coming up next. There we go. Now I add another little secret weapon, which is coffee. 1/2 cup. The coffee helps to darken the indigo as well. It's pretty thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more water, 1/2 cup. I'm looking at the consistency because I don't want it too loose. I'm going to add a pinch of salt too. That helps bring out the color as well. I'm going to let this sit for 20 minutes. That's it. This is how it looks after 20 minutes. While my hair is still damp, I'm going ahead and applying the Vaseline on my edges and arms again, just like I did with the henna. Now, I'm applying the indigo. If you want to see how I do all the sections of the indigo, check out part 1. I apply the indigo the same way that I apply the henna. Then I use the plastic wrap again and I sit under the heat cap again. Heat helps the product to penetrate in my hair better. Then I rinse out the indigo, no shampoo. Here we go, here we go. I got them black edges, you see? You see? After my henna and indigo, hey, my hair black. Look how dark my hair is. If you want to see how I deep condition my hair, leave a comment below and I'll make a video for you. I also got a video coming up to show you how I moisturize my hair.